to show you how you can install the AI Smart Search plugin on your WordPress website. So to get started, after you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, you can hover on Plugins and click on Add New. Over here, click on Upload Plugin, click on Choose File, and select the plugin file that you must have received through mail, or you can download it through My Account. Click on Open and click on Install Now. After the plugin is installed, you can click on Activate Plugin. Then you can see a new menu option called AI Smart Search in your WordPress sidebar. After you have activated the AI Smart Search plugin, under Base Settings, you need to set up the API key. Now, you must have received this API key through your mail, or you can even get it on the Veritech My Account dashboard. Just paste the API key over here and click on Save Changes. And that's done. Now you have successfully activated your AI Smart Search plugin on your WordPress website.